Welcome to AKN Sprint Education. Myself Naveen. I am the mathematics mentor, and today's our session is about matrices. What do you mean by matrix? An ordered rectangle arrange of element is called a matrix. An ordered rectangular arrangement elements is called a matrix. An ordered rectangle arrange of element is called a matrix. Generally, matrices are enclosed by brackets. Either we use this bracket, simple bracket, or else we will use parenthesis. Generally, matrices are enclosed by brackets, and matrices are represented by capital letters. For example, let me write a matrix A is equal to bracket. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. See, here 1, 2, 3, 4 are called elements of a matrix. So what is the definition of matrix? An ordered rectangular arrangement of elements is called a matrix. So matrices are enclosed by brackets. We can also write as B equal to A, B, C, D. This is also a matrix. Matrix are represented by the capital letters. Matrix A is equal to, elements of matrix A are 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the matrix B. It is represented by B. Generally, matrices are represented by capital letters, and here A, B, C, D are called elements of matrix, and the elements are represented by small letters. Elements are denoted by small letters. So the elements, which are there in matrix, they are small letters, but matrix is represented by capital letters. So now, what is the order of the matrix? What is the order of the matrix? See, so for example, this is the matrix. In matrix A, so this 1 and 2, they are in the first row, and this is second row, row 1 contains elements 1 and 2, and row 2 contains elements 3 and 4. We have two rows. This is row 1 and this is row 2. We have two rows, and this is called our first column, and this is called our second column. In matrix A, we have two rows and two columns. So what is the order of the matrix A, children? Order of the matrix A is 2 by 2. How can we read as? We can read it as 2 by 2, or also we can read as 2 cross 2. Coming to second matrix, in this matrix also we have two rows. This is our first row, and this is our second row. We have two rows. Similarly, we have two columns. This is our first column, and this is our second column. We have two rows and two columns. So what is the order of the matrix B, which is equal to 2 by 2? For example, let us consider one more matrix. C is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, Here, if you observe in matrix C, actually we have three rows. This is our first row, second row, third row. Horizontal lines are called rows. We have three rows. And vertical lines are called columns. 1, 2, 3. We have three columns. So children, what is the order of the matrix C? That is 3 by 3. Got it? So this is about what do you mean by matrix and what is the order of the matrix. Now let us see what are the types of matrices. The first one is square matrix. Consider a matrix. For example, matrix M is equal to 2, 2, 3, 5. Children, in this matrix M, we have two rows and we have two columns. And what is the order of the matrix? 2 by 2. I mean, in this matrix M, number of rows is equal to number of columns. I mean, same number of rows and same number of columns. A matrix is said to be a square matrix if the number of rows is equal to number of columns, then that matrix is said to be square matrix. Here you can see number of rows are 2 and number of columns are 2. Therefore the square here M is called a square matrix. Okay, for example, you can see one more matrix 1 0 0 0 1 2 2 1 3. Children, if you observe this matrix I, in this matrix I, we have three rows and we have three columns. Hence, here if you observe, matrix I contains three rows and three columns, and hence the order is 3 by 3. I mean, number of rows is equal to number of columns. When can we say that a matrix is said to be a square matrix? If the number of rows is equal to number of columns, then that matrix is said to be square matrix. Yes children, here we have three rows and three columns, hence I is a square matrix. Okay, remember children, number of rows is equal to number of columns, then that matrix is said to be square matrix. Now coming to rectangular matrix. Rectangular matrix. For example, matrix P equal to 1 2 3 4 7 8. If you observe this matrix P, elements in matrix P are 1 2 3 4 7 8. What is the order of the matrix P, children? Here we have three rows, and how many columns do we have? We have two columns. Is it number of rows is equal to number of columns? No, number of rows are not equal to number of columns, and that matrix is said to be rectangular matrix. When can we say that a matrix is said to be a rectangular matrix? If the number of rows is not equal to number of columns, then that matrix is said to be rectangular matrix. Okay, one more example. For example, matrix T equal to 1 0 0. You can see here number of rows are how many? 1 2 2 by number of columns how many? 3 columns. Number of rows are 2 and number of columns are 3. They are different, and hence that matrix is said to be rectangular matrix. So I hope you understood what is the difference between square matrix and rectangular matrix. The next one is scalar matrix. So before going to that, let us see what are the diagonal elements. Consider a square matrix. For example, consider a square matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Consider one more square matrix 2, 1, 3, 4. Coming to matrix B, what is the order of the matrix B, children? Here the order is number of rows are 2, number of columns are 2. Hence B is a square matrix. Now coming to matrix A, here number of rows are 3 and number of columns are 3. So what is the order of the matrix A? That is 3 by 3. Right? Now what do you mean by diagonal elements? Diagonal elements of a matrix. Diagonal elements of a matrix. If you observe here, the elements 2 and 4, they are called diagonal elements. Element 2 and 4, they are called diagonal elements. Okay, in this, diagonal elements are 1, 5, 9. First row of first element, 2, second row of second element, and third row of third element constitutes diagonal elements. Children, in compact form, a matrix is represented by Aij. Aij. Here A in the sense element, here I in the sense row, and J stands column. I stands for rows and J stands for column. See, if you observe the element 1, A stands for element. If you observe the element 1, it is in first row, first column, right? So A 1 is equal to, what is the element, children? That is equal to 1. Now coming to element 2, it is in first row, second column, right? I mean A row is 1 and column is 2. What is the A12? A12 is what? 2, children. Now coming to element 3, which is in first row, third column. That is A first row, third column, which is equal to how much, children? That is 3. Now coming to element 4, what is the position of element 4? The position of element 4, which is in second row and first column. So A21 is equal to 4, children. Now what is the position of element 5? Position of element 5 is, which is in second row and second column, which is equal to how much? 5. Now what is the position of element 6? It is in second row, third column. So that is equal to 6, children. Now what about element 7? It is in third row, first column. A31 is equal to 7. Now what is the position of element 8? Which is in third row, second column, which is equal to 8. What is the position of element 9? That is in third row, third column, which is equal to 9. So if I write element 8 in compact forms, that is A11, A12, A13. First row, first element. First row, second element. First row, third element. And this is second row, first column. Second row, second column. Second row, third column. Now coming to third row, first element, third row, second element, and third row, third element. So a matrix can be represented in compact form as A11, A12, A13 and so on. So A11, A22, A33, that is called as diagonal elements. They are called diagonal elements. Okay. Now here one more important point is, what is trace of a matrix? Let me explain what do you mean by trace of a matrix. What do you mean by trace of a matrix? What do you mean by trace of a matrix? The sum of the elements of the principal diagonal are called trace of a matrix. Children, in this matrix A, what are the principal diagonals, or simply we can call it as diagonals? What are the principal diagonal elements? Here the principal diagonal elements are 1, 5, 9. Let us add 1 plus 5 plus 9. So 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 9, 15. So what is the trace of A, children? We can write as TR of A. We can simply represent it as TR of A, that is equal to 15. Are you understanding, students? What do you mean by trace of A? The sum of the elements of a principal diagonal. The sum of the principal diagonal elements. Sum of principal diagonal elements are called trace of a matrix. How to represent trace of matrix? TR of A. Now coming to matrix B, what are the principal diagonal elements? The principal diagonal elements are 2, 4. In compact form, matrix B can be represented as first row, first column, first row, second column. And what about this? Second row, first column, second row, second column. Right? So what are the principal diagonal elements? That is A11 and A12. They are 2 and 4, right? What is the trace of B? If I want to find trace of B, which is equal to sum of principal diagonal elements, that is 2 plus 4, which is equal to 6. Understood, children? What do you mean by diagonal elements are also simply we can call as principal diagonals? And what do you mean by trace of a matrix A? Okay? I hope you understood the concept of what do you mean by matrix, and what do you mean by square matrix, and what do you mean by rectangular matrix, and what do you mean by principal diagonals, and what is the how to find trace of a matrix. And the next session we will discuss about remaining types of matrix. Thank you.